Today we're going to have a look at the common paragraph and line spacing issues in Microsoft Word. Looking at our document, there are some obvious issues going on with spacing. To have a closer look, let's turn on the Show Hide and we'll look at the line spacing in between the paragraphs first. So we want one line spacing. This is one of the first things that you check to be consistent throughout your document, is to have the same line spacing throughout. So once we've done that, we're then going to have a look at the spacing while Show Hide is still on. Spacing in between words, sometimes we can hit the space bar twice. And then there's also 2 spacebar hits at the end of each sentence. So we'll have a look at those as well. So we'll go through and put the 2 space bars at the end of each line. We'll come back and fix this later. It's just a reminder to me that we're going to do this. So working through our document, some already have 2 space bars pressed at the end of the sentence and some don't. Again, this is just as a reminder that I want to come back and fix this correctly after we've had a look at a couple of other things. So next we want to have a look at the spacing in between words. And Microsoft Word has already highlighted there's an issue. So some have got spacebar pressed twice in between words. All right, we're going to turn off Show Hide. And now we're going to have a look at the line spacing in between each sentence. So we'll navigate to Layout. And we'll also check the font style and size just quickly. This may happen when you're collaboratively working on the document with someone else, and they may have copied and pasted some of the information from their document or a notepad and then brought that formatting in. So this is why we're checking the font style and font size. Now, line spacing, by default, it should be 1.15. So that's what we're going to set in between each line, 1.15. So working our way through that. Some had smaller spacing in between and some had larger spacing. Again, just aiming for consistency right throughout your document. And now we're going to have a look at spacing for the headings. So if we go to layout, and you'll see, do we need that spacing before the heading? I don't think so. Not that big anyway. So let's make our headings have a consistent spacing before and after. Now we're going to have a look at spacing in between paragraphs. It doesn't need the 6-point spacing or 8-point spacing. So we're going to set these to 0, 0. Now at the end of each paragraph, we don't need that spacing there either. Now we'll just double check that the line spacing is still 1.15. This is just a double check. And also checking font size, font style, and line spacing. All right, going back to the 2 space bars after a full stop. We're going to do this at the end of each of those sentences or paragraphs. So that symbol is where someone pressed a shift enter. So it's kind of like a manual enter. So that hasn't been used right throughout the document. So we delete those and do your full stop and spacebar twice. All right, turning the show hide off, we're going to do a final tidy up. So reading through the story or the content of the document where the paragraphs should, the sentences should stay in the paragraph and when a new paragraph should begin. It's looking better already. All right, let's just check the spacing. Perfect. So this is talking about the same thing, so it should just run on. Okay, we've fixed the issues. Looks much better. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.